Hello, my name is Brian Lerman, Director of Operations at Intrepid Bioinformatics, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the data management solutions that we offer with our system. In this video, I'm going to talk about uploading files and sharing them. So the first thing you do is log into the system. Our system is secured with a username and password and is required to perform any secure operations on the system. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the admin panel, which will control a lot of the operations, and we'll get to this later on. But first, we're going to upload a file. When you come to this page, you'll see the upload file applet load. The first time you may be prompted to approve downloading of an applet. This is okay to do. Our system currently supports the format produced by Illumina snip chip software. This is not limited solely to Illumina snip chips. It is just the format that we currently support. Right here I have a sample file that we're going to upload. As you can see here, we've got our sample name, as well as the marker names that tie the genotypes to markers in the system, right here. And we have an identifier for the sample, right here. This particular file contains two separate samples. So, in order to upload the file, you can either go to File and then select it in a traditional fashion, or we also have a very easy to use drag and drop system in which you can simply drag the file from your desktop or anywhere else on your computer into this applet, and when you let go, you can see that the upload process will start. This may take several minutes depending on the size of the file. Exceptionally large files may potentially take an hour or more. Smaller files can be uploaded in several seconds. During this process, the file will be zipped for compression and to decrease the size of the file to make it easier to upload and work with. However, this file can be returned back to its original format, which we will discuss later. So, once this file is completed, we'll be prompted to give it a description that will help identify it. If the system had not seen this type of genotype before, you'd be prompted for some additional information in the pending file section. But as this is a standard sample, we will not be prompted to do so. So I need to enter a name for it here, a description. In this case, I'm just going to call it the demo test. And then I'm going to click Submit. And in just a moment, the file will be uploaded and ready to be used. So we see our success message, and if we want, we can go to Uploaded Files, where we can view this file. Here we've got two different files, one I uploaded in the past, and then demo test, the one we just uploaded. And you can see some different options here. First of all, you can download the file in the original format if you need to retrieve it for any reason. Additionally, you have the option to share files or make them public. Sharing files is how you would make these files available to other users of the system. Here we've got two users that in the past I've become collaborators with. Collaboration is just a simple method that we'll talk about in another video of sharing information between users. So I'm going to select both these users to share this file with and click Submit. And we'll see that we've got a success message for both. Alternately, I could choose to make this file publicly available. This will make any user of the system able to see this file, and it's something that we do not recommend you do unless you are absolutely sure you wish to make that data public. So once you have uploaded files, you can also view other files that have been made available to you. By changing this drop-down, we can see that we've got the two files that were already there that I uploaded, as well as several other files that were made available to me from other users. You saw me share the file a moment ago, but it takes a second step to approve this. This is to ensure that you do not accidentally share files with users that you did not intend to share. So once you click that share, back on our admin panel, also the home page, we'll see two prompts to approve these. You can see the two users that I selected, as well as the file. And it's requesting whether I want to approve or deny. If I approve the share, that user will now be able to log in and see that file. Or I can deny the share, and that user will have no idea that anything went on, and they will not be able to access that information. Those users that have been approved will be able to see the data as you do as the uploader, but they will not be able to edit or delete the information. Users Proxy editors and proxy owners, which are two different user types that will be discussed in another video, are able to edit the information, but we will discuss that in another time. This concludes the data management demo.